In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable enhanced pointer precision in Windows 11. Right now I'm using the Windows 10, but the process is similar. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open settings. For that, click on the start icon. Now what you have to do is click on the gear icon and click on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. In Windows 11, you'll be able to find the option for Bluetooth and devices. Right now I'm being able to see this option for devices, so simply click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option mouse that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find the mouse settings over here. Click on this option additional mouse options that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here this kind of windows will be opened. So what you have to do is look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option pointer options. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options. Right over here you'll be able to find this section for motion. Over here you can see this option for enhanced pointer precision. So what you have to do is uncheck this option. After you do that, click on this option apply that you can see on the screen. Now after that it will be applied. Now the enhanced pointer precision has been disabled. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you disable enhanced pointer precision in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.